My story's about my first impressions of Grand Rapids. In 2009, I was working in the United Kingdom in London at a hospital called Harefield. Harefield is a centre of excellence for heart and lung transplantation, a leading European centre. It's actually where Richard DeVos had his heart transplant in the 1990s. One night in December 2009, I was on the phone to my colleague Dr. Kagani, who'd recently moved to the United States to help set up a transplant program here in Grand Rapids. He tried to persuade me to come and join the team to help develop a cardiothoracic critical care. I thought to myself, I've got a great career. I'm working at Harefield. I live in London with my husband and 3 young children who go to school. Why would we want to move to the United States? I've already got a good job. Where's Grand Rapids? It's hard to believe there's a successful transplant program developing there. I was very reluctant and skeptical. Nonetheless, I decided to undertake the journey with my husband, and we travelled to Grand Rapids in mid-December 2009. We landed at the airport. It was not exactly awe-inspiring. It was winter, it was cold, there was snow and wind, and I'm from Australia, so this was akin to Siberia. We made our journey to the hospital, and through the mist and the snow loomed these incredible buildings, the Maya Heart Centre. I entered the buildings, and what I saw really impressed me. State-of-the-art operating rooms, cath labs, latest technologies and equipment. It was very impressive. But actually, what really struck me were the people, the teams, the professionalism, the physicians, the dedication, the can-do attitude, and what had actually been achieved in little over a year in terms of the heart and lung transplant program. It was very, very impressive. I stood back and reflected. There was something unique in Grand Rapids, a vibe, perhaps coming from the spirit of philanthropy and community, the willingness of people to pull together and build a successful program. Whilst preparing the story, I came across a few words penned by Richard DeVos, and I think they really capture the spirit of Grand Rapids, and I wanted to share them with you. Few things in the world are more powerful than a positive push. You can do it when things are tough. So in 2009, I reflected and I concluded I had been truly infected by the spirit of Grand Rapids, and I too wanted to join the team and really be part of that can-do attitude that is so prevalent in this community.